Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the data inputs so you know what to fix. Open YouTube Studio and go to Analytics. Check views by date, traffic source, and device breakdown. Once done, disable extra filters and verify your channel time zone and report range so numbers line up. Make sure to note any sudden drops or recent spikes and which traffic sources changed. That gives you the first actionable dataset to target and prevents chasing phantom problems caused by misconfigured filters. Next, perform a content and metadata audit and fix what directly affects views. You should compare thumbnails, titles, and tags of top performers versus underperformers, and then adjust CTR driving elements. Check average view duration and retention graphs to see where viewers drop off, and update intros or pacing accordingly. Also verify visibility settings, unlisted uploads, and broken external links so you're not losing traffic. Once you implement these edits, monitor short-term changes to confirm the effect and iterate quickly. Finally, restore proper distribution and finish by reindexing and repromoting key assets. You should reconnect social embeds and playlists, confirm scheduled publish times, and ensure cards and end screens are active. Then, trigger internal updates. Reupload or refresh thumbnails if needed and reshare top clips to regain impressions. If views still lag, check for API quota limits, copyright strikes, or analytics processing delays, and contact support only after ruling out settings and distribution issues so you provide precise evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.